Hi, I'm Elysia Stobbe, your Mortgage Millions mentor, and I help mortgage loan officers make twice the money and half the time by using efficient systems that work. And they're proven time and time again. So in this video, I'm going to give you basically a day-by-day guide, Monday through Friday, who to call, when, and how to effectively follow up. So I'm going to show you my #1 secret rule for following up with realtors. This will work with realtors you already have a referral partnership with, and for realtors you want to establish partnerships with. So here's the way I used to do it. Check in. I think you've seen me use this timer, right? 3-minute timer. Checking in. When you are trying to do this with the realtor, this is part of your follow-up, not part of your initial outreach, right? You cannot build a relationship by calling on the phone and asking for business. In fact, that's how you're going to turn off a realtor, because you are asking for business or an appointment to sell them, right? And you haven't even established your value, why they might need to work with you, the benefits, none of that. So I'm going to get rid of this and give you the easy button on the app. So it's pretty simple. Not pretty simple. It's super simple. I designed it to be super simple. So you're just going to go to the app, open the app. And this is a simple daily practice you can do. So open the app and then import a contact or input a contact. Either way, import, you hit the import button. It asks you, do you want to import one contact or multiple contacts? You can click whatever you want, and it'll show all your contacts. And then you just select, search for the one you want and select, and it'll import it. The other thing I like to do is, as soon as I leave a networking meeting, whether it be a realtor lunch, a chamber of commerce meeting, a meeting where a realtor introduced me to another realtor, or a financial planner or a CPA or a homeowner's insurance agent, whatever the case may be, if you can, at the meeting, send them your digital business card, which you just update your info in the app. It'll pull in a lot of it from you, for you already. You update that and you can add your logo, you can add your headshot, send that digital business card right away. And then if they have one to send you back, fantastic. If they don't, all I start with is their name, cell phone number, and email address. You just really need those 3 pieces of information. And then you'll click over in the resources tab. So from the home page, just click the resources tab. And then you have all these different choices. We've made it easy for you. Is it a client prospect? Is it a realtor prospect? And if it's a realtor prospect, is it a realtor I know, or is it a realtor I don't know, right? So that would be a new realtor. Or do you have a deal in process? And if so, is it the buyer's agent or the listing agent or the buyer? I've done all these sequences for you, which are specifically designed in this order to 1, connect, 2, add value, 3, engage the prospect, and then 4, schedule, because then you can schedule a time to meet with them. That obviously would be somebody you don't already have a relationship with. And it's all taken care of. When you click on these realtor prospects, I hit connect. It gives you a preview. Hi, you have a great reputation in the industry, and I'd really like an opportunity to get to know you. I have some information that can protect you from having deals fall apart while in process, and why 72% of the mortgage applicants are dissatisfied with their lenders. Can I send it over? Thanks. Now you can edit this. You can copy this. You can send it right from here. The beautiful thing is also you have multiple ways to send it. So you can send it. Usually I would do text, but if you know that that contact prefers social media and they want a LinkedIn message, or their assistant would want it, or whatever the case may be, Facebook Messenger, You can send it to them that way as well. Of course, you can email it to them, but I would do the quicker response, and I would go for the text. But find out how your prospect prefers to be communicated with. What is their preferred form of communication? So then next, you hit value, but you don't do that yet. You do that next week, right? So just every day, time management, right? Take 10 or 15 minutes out of your day. It's better to do it in the morning, right? And establish these new relationships. So one, connect, then just do 10. If you can do 10 of those every morning. A realtor you just met, a realtor you want to build a relationship with. Maybe you met in passing 6 months ago, 2 months ago, a year ago. You haven't done anything with them. You got their card and then you forgot to call them, right? That happens, right? I used to put all their cards in Outlook, and I still do, but once they're in the app, they're yours. So, and they'll be with you wherever you are. This is not a CRM. This is above the CRM before you even get to the CRM. So 10 or 15 minutes a day just to import and build these new connections with the connect button. Really easy. New connections, connect button. Then next week, add the value. The week after that, engage. And if it goes faster, you can, engage through that. If you find that they're replying, by the 4th week, you should be scheduling these appointments very easily. And again, every day, every week, 10 minutes to import new ones. And then the day after, you're also doing that, but then you're following up. So really, instead of spending hours cold calling realtors, which doesn't work. How many of you guys know that doesn't work? It didn't work 10 years ago. It hasn't worked since caller ID. All right. So definitely the easy button with the app. And you can test drive it right now. We have all kinds of specials going on with it. So see if you like it. You got nothing to lose. 5 or 10 minutes out of your day. You tell me what's working better for you. I would love to hear it. If not, give that app a try and let me know how it's working. Cheers to your success.